Hi and welcome to Little Hatchling's Art Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a cute little dog. Alright, so to get started on this, we are going to draw the nose. So draw this curvy, kind of triangular shaped nose and put a highlight at the top and then just fill in the rest. Now, if I get going too fast for you, just remember you can pause it and get caught up and then hit play again and keep going. All right, now you're gonna draw just a little line down, and then from that little line, you're gonna draw two like upside down rainbow shapes for the mouth. And some just cute little lines on the side of those, little smile lines. Now we're gonna put 3 dots in each side of that. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Next, we're gonna draw a cute little tongue. Then we're going to draw a curved line above the nose to show like where the snout is. Right like that. Okay, now we're going to draw 2 oval shapes for the eyes. Here's the first one. And if you hear my baby in the background, she's just playing while I'm talking. All right, here's the other oval. And then we're going to draw the circle inside for the eye and another circle inside, and then this one we're going to fill in mostly, but we're going to leave 2 little highlights. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing on this other side. Highlight, highlight, and fill in the rest. All right, now we're going to draw these little like squiggly, well not squiggly, but these eyebrows. I don't know what word to use to describe them. And then we're gonna draw an ear over here. So draw the curved line with a curve and some tufts of hair on the side, and then a curved line down to meet up with it with some more tufts of hair. And then a little tiny little hook on the top right next to it right there. Okay, and then we're gonna do basically the same thing, just in the opposite direction on this side for the other ear. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna draw the top of the head, just a curved line with a little tuft of hair at the top, and then it comes down. Okay, now we're gonna draw, and you don't have to do this if you don't want your dog to have a stripe down the middle, but I'm going to draw my dog with a stripe down the middle, and just do that by doing these little zigzag lines down, and then some tufts of fur along the side, and then it curves under, and you can kind of make little marks that show fur like I'm doing, and then it joins up right here. Okay. Now we're going to just draw a little line for the side of the face where it meets up a little bit. Now we're going to draw a line on this side for kind of, what's it called? It's like its chest, where like it's all furry on its chest, and it comes together in the middle, and another tuft of fur right here. All right, so now we're gonna draw the leg right here. So we're drawing the sides of both of the front legs, and then a curved line for the paw, and then it meets up down there, and then we're gonna draw the other paw, and then 2 lines right there, and 2 lines right here, and a little line in between. And then we want to draw the back legs because he's sitting. Just kind of curve those out a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to draw this line to just kind of thin out those legs a little bit more. Okay. And now we're going to draw a little more hair, and now we're going to draw the back legs. So I'm going to start with just a curved line back there because he's sitting, and another curved line right there, and then the back paws. So you just draw a curve over and over here, and then the little toe marks. And that is that, and then the tail comes up to a point, and then a little tuft of fur. And I think that is it. So now I'm going to color it in time lapse. Feel free to color yours whatever color you want, or when this time lapse is done, you can pause it and use mine as a reference. I hope you had so much fun drawing your cute little puppy with me, and my cute little baby in the background making all those cute noises. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my future videos, and check out some of our old videos, and I'll see you next time.